What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are on Sam Rayburn Reservoir. Now, it is inches away from being 11 foot high. It's probably gonna reach that by the end of the week with the rain coming in, but instead of doing some fishing in this video, I got my drone. I'm gonna go around to all the parks that I can get into, do some filming of the flood waters, get some cool air shots for you guys. A lot of people have been requesting it, so do me one favor real quick. If you have a Gmail or a YouTube account, hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel out a lot. It brings you guys all this free content. So let me go find a good place to park and I'll get the drone in the sky. There we go. Ooh, something got him. Besides me. Fella. Culvert is right here. I can get it to go past the leaves. Got him. Pretty fish. All right. Oh man, how did he miss that? Got him. Nice one. Red ear with the red ear. Folks at home, that is gonna do it for this video. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to go everywhere I wanted to. A lot of stuff is closed out and I was not getting in there. I don't wanna get any tickets, but if you're brand new here, do me one favor. Smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any videos. Y'all keep God first in your life. We'll see you in the next video.